Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make the Nutella lava cake. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons of milk, 3 to 4 drops of vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon of Nutella. In a cup of your choice, add all the ingredients except the Nutella. So starting with the all-purpose flour, the sugar, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, the oil, the milk and the vanilla essence. Mix it thoroughly to make a smooth lump-free batter. My batter is ready, so now add the Nutella. And make sure it submerges well. Do not mix the Nutella. I repeat, do not mix it. Place your mug in a microwave. Mine one is 700-watt microwave, which is a basic one. I place it on high for less than 2 minutes. This is totally optional, but you can also add a bit of Nutella and some chocolate shavings or sprinkles on the top. Thanks for watching. Like and share my video. Comment what you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.